Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a BMW S1000RR made by Maisto. It is 1 by 18 scale model. I bought this model from Amazon.in around 400 rupees. Quality of model is good. I will provide link in description of the video if you want to buy or another type model. In this model you got free rotate side stand, realistic jumper, free rotate steering. I also have another model that is customized by me. It is fully vinyl wrap. The wheels are light up in dark as you see. If you are not already subscribed to our channel for more video like this, you may also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Let's get started the video.